Welcome to another episode of IFS Meditations and Insights, a podcast dedicated to exploring the transformative power of internal family systems. Here we delve into the depths of self-discovery and healing, providing you with practical meditations to apply what you learn. IFS is an innovative approach that empowers individuals to understand and nurture their internal parts, fostering internal harmony and self-compassion. I'm your host, Tim Fortescue, a trained IFS practitioner specializing in spiritual growth and healing. Whether you've experienced religious trauma or are seeking guidance on your spiritual journey, I'm here to support you. You can discover more about me and my coaching practice and my one-on-one and group offerings by visiting faithfullygrowing.com. Additionally, if you'd like to contribute to make coaching accessible to all, consider making a tax-deductible donation at faithfullygrowing.com/donate. Today, I'm going to lead you in a meditation to help you connect further with your inner sanctuary and your internal parts. So let's dive in with some courage and curiosity if we can. As we begin, remember to approach this practice with openness and self-compassion. And take a moment to find a comfortable position, either sitting down or lying down. And close your eyes if you'd like to. If you prefer, you can leave your eyes open and let your gaze rest softly in front of you. And begin to focus on your breath. Taking a deep inhale, filling your lungs with fresh air. And exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress from your body. Go ahead and take a couple cleansing breaths at your own pace. And know that I encourage you to stop this recording if your system needs more time than I allow, and then start it up again when you're ready. But do that as many times as you need to. Now visualize yourself in a serene and tranquil sanctuary that represents your true self. The sanctuary is a place of safety, peace, unconditional love. Take a moment to explore this space in your mind's eye, noticing the details of your surroundings. Observe the colors, textures, and shapes that make your inner sanctuary. Notice the gentle sounds that fill the air. Perhaps the soft rustling of leaves or the distant sound of waves crashing. Or maybe it's the soothing melody of birdsong. Feel the temperature of the air against your skin. Maybe it's warm and comforting or cool and refreshing. As you immerse yourself in this sanctuary, invite any parts of you that might be resistant to self-care to join you. These parts may have concerns or fears about prioritizing your well-being. Allow them to enter the sanctuary and find a comfortable place to sit or stand. Maybe they just want to view from a distance. Maybe they want to just peek inside the door. There's no judgment. Let them know there's no right or wrong. Engage in a gentle dialogue with these parts. Acknowledge their concerns and listen attentively to what they have to say. Let them express their worries and fears without judgment or criticism. Show them that you understand and validate their feelings, letting them know that their voices are heard and respected. Now express your commitment to your own well-being. See if you can speak from your heart and let these parts know that you're dedicated to taking care of yourself. Assure them that their concerns will be addressed and that you will find balance between their needs and the needs of your true self, your belovedness at the core. Take a moment to listen to what these parts have to say in response. Be open and receptive to their feedback, allowing them to express any additional concerns or thoughts that may arise. respond with compassion and understanding, offering reassurance and support. And as you conclude this meditation, express gratitude to these parts for their presence and their willingness to engage in this dialogue. Thank them for sharing as much or as little as they were able to share. Thank them for their efforts in working so hard to keep you safe. And remind them that you're now committed to nurturing and caring for yourself. They're not alone, but they are a part of this inner team. Take a few more moments to bask in the peaceful energy of your inner sanctuary. Feel the love and acceptance that surrounds you, knowing that you can always return to this space whenever you need to reconnect with your true self, who you are at the core. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently stretch your body and take a few deep breaths to ground yourself. Open your eyes if they were closed, and carry the sense of peace and commitment with you that you feel now as you continue in your daily life. And remember, this inner sanctuary is always available to you whenever you need a moment of respite and self-care. Return to it whenever you feel overwhelmed or disconnected, and allow its healing energy to guide you back to your true self. Thanks for joining me in this meditation practice. Thank you for joining me for this episode. If you found value in what you heard, make sure to hit the follow or subscribe button so that you'll never miss an episode. And share it with your friends and family too. And finally, your feedback means a lot to me, so please take a moment and leave a review and let me know how I'm doing. And if you have any questions or want to connect further, you can shoot me an email to tim@faithfullygrowing.com. But I look forward to hearing from you, and until we meet again, take care, stay curious if you can, and embrace every part of your journey.